All right, let's talk about Huawei's latest flip phone, the Pura X. And this one's kind of wild. It's got a 6.3-inch foldable OLED screen with a 16:10 aspect ratio, which basically means you're getting a mini tablet that folds in half, and it's designed to be used sideways when unfolded. Sounds cool, right? But it's not exactly a one-handed phone. So if you're someone who likes to text, scroll, and hold a coffee all at once, yeah, good luck with that. Now, on the outside, there's a 3.5-inch OLED screen that's actually pretty handy. You can check notifications, take calls, and even open apps without flipping it open. When it's unfolded though, that big screen is chef's kiss for media lovers. You get a wider viewing area, which means fewer annoying black bars when you're watching videos. But again, it's a two-handed device, no question about it. Performance-wise, Huawei isn't playing around. The Pura X runs on the Kirin 9020 chipset, promising a 40% performance boost over previous models. It comes in multiple configurations, starting with 12 gigs RAM and 256 gigs storage, all the way up to a ridiculous 16 gigs RAM and 1 terabyte storage. So yeah, if you hoard apps, photos, and videos, this phone's got your back. The camera setup, pretty stacked. A 50 megapixel main shooter with OIS, a 40 megapixel ultra wide lens, an 8 megapixel telephoto with 3.5x optical zoom, and a special multi-spectral sensor for better color accuracy. And for selfies, there's a 10.7 megapixel camera built into the main display. Basically, your Instagram game just got an upgrade. Battery life looks solid too, 4720 milliamp hour with 66 watt wired charging and 40 watt wireless. Oh, and it's IPX8 rated, so a little water won't ruin your day. It runs on Harmony OS 5 with a bunch of AI powered camera tricks like hovering photography and dual screen selfies. Plus, Huawei's throwing in its fancy Star Shield security system, which is designed to enhance user privacy and data protection. Now, pricing. The base model starts at about $1,037, and if you want the fully loaded version with 1 terabyte storage, you're looking at around $1,382. It's launching in China first, with pre-orders open now and official sales starting March 30th. Color options? Huawei went all out. Moonshadow Gray, Magic Night Black, Stylish Red, Stylish Green, and Zero White. So yeah, plenty of choices. That's the Pura X. Cool or not, let me know, and hit subscribe for more such updates. Peace.